See, Anita, this is the spec A and spec B at the room temperature. You can see that the spec A is on my left, spec B is on my right. At 27 Celsius degree, I have the thermometer on both. You can see that spec A and spec B is very similar, but spec A is slightly thicker than the spec B. Okay, but they both are thicker than our previous Golden Star one. Okay, you can see the density of the water, how it dropped. Okay, this is the comparison, and you can see this next one, A and B. Okay, now I put A and B both. This next couple, you can see that I just take out from the fridge. It's around 5 to 10 Celsius degree. When I first take it out, it was around 6. So now you can see that they both are thicker, definitely thicker. But even though it's thicker, but still it's, you know, it's gonna cause some thickening and some solid due to the cold temperature. That's the nature behavior of the coconut. You can see that you can see the significant difference from the room temperature and the cold temperature of both. You see? You can see both here. I'll take this out so you can see. This is the spec B and the spec B room temperature and the cold temperature. You can see the difference. Okay? Now you can see the spec A room temperature and the cold temperature. It's different. So this is normal. Okay, now if you concentrate on this two, even though you put it in the fridge, you can just shake it. They both will behave the same. See, I stir them. I stir them, they both will behave the same. Okay. Okay. Now, if you smell it, when you smell it all four, spec A, this one get the highest, strongest, the most good smell for the coconut milk, because of course it's, you know, it's at the room temperature. Okay. And of course when you test them, the room temperature one gave the better smell. Okay, so you can see this four. So when you ask me to be thicker than spec A, this is already thicker than the old one and thicker than the Chao Gao, which I'll show you. I'll email you the picture of this one that we test before. Okay, this is the coconut milk Chao Gao Thailand, coconut milk Chao Gao USA compared with Golden Star. Okay, we are thicker than Chao Gao already, so I'm not sure if you want it to be thicker than this or not. I'll email you and explain in detail. Okay.
Okay.